every powerful technology comes with a shadow side. Electricity brought light to the world, and also the risk of electrocution. Social media connected billions, but also spread misinformation. AI agents are no different. They hold incredible potential, but without careful control, they can also create serious problems. In this video, we'll talk honestly about the risks, the ethical challenges, and how to prevent them. So let's start with the most obvious one: loss of control. AI agents are designed to act autonomously. That's their strength. They don't need constant human input. But it's also their danger. If an agent is given the wrong goal or interprets a vague instruction too literally, it can take actions that were never intended. Imagine telling your AI assistant to save money on subscriptions. It could cancel services you actually need, your accounting software or your security platform, simply because it followed the command too aggressively. That's why human supervision is non-negotiable. AI agents need clear boundaries, audit trails, and approval checkpoints for sensitive actions. The next major concern is data privacy and security. AI agents often operate across multiple systems: your email, CRM, cloud storage, HR platform, and so on. That means they touch huge amounts of personal and confidential data. If one of those integrations isn't secured properly, it can expose private information or violate data protection laws. We've seen this before with simple chatbots accidentally revealing user data. Now imagine that multiplied by thousands of automated actions. The fix? Companies must adopt the principle of least privilege, giving agents access only to the systems and data they absolutely need. And every interaction must be logged for accountability. Regulators are watching closely. In the UK, the Information Commissioner's Office already considers AI data handling part of GDPR compliance. In the EU, the upcoming AI Act sets strict rules for how autonomous systems collect, process, and store information. Now, these aren't obstacles, they're safety rails that keep innovation trustworthy. Another risk is bias and fairness. AI agents learn from data, and data reflects human behavior with all its imperfections. If a company uses an AI agent to screen job candidates, for instance, it might unintentionally favor or exclude certain groups based on patterns hidden in past hiring data. Now, that's not just unethical, it's illegal in many jurisdictions. Now, to prevent this, every AI system must go through bias testing and ethical review, the same way new drugs go through safety trials. Now, transparency is key. If an agent makes a decision, we should be able to trace why it has made that decision. That's what we call explainability, and it's critical for building public trust. Then there's accountability, perhaps the hardest question of all. If an AI agent makes a mistake, who's responsible? The developer who built it, the company that deployed it, the manager who gave the instruction? Right now, legal systems are still catching up. Most regulations assume humans make the final decisions. But as AI agents take more initiative, we'll need clearer rules of ownership, liability, and oversight. Until then, organizations must adopt internal governance frameworks, defining exactly who signs off on what and what levels of autonomy each agent is allowed to have. And let's not forget the human impact either. When AI agents automate large chunks of work, it can create fear. The fear of replacement, redundancy, or losing meaning in your job. That's where leadership comes in. Instead of hiding from the technology, leaders should involve their teams in shaping how it's used. Train employees to work with agents, not against them. Make it clear that AI is there to remove drudgery, not humanity. In other words, let people do what only people can. Think critically, empathize deeply, and create. The final risk is the misuse of power. As AI agents become more capable, especially when connected to financial systems, supply chains, or physical devices, a bad actor could weaponize them. Imagine a rogue AI agent manipulating stock prices, spreading fake news, or breaching a company's defenses. That's why governments and industry leaders must collaborate to set global standards for safety, authentication, and control. We need digital equivalents of passports and fingerprints for AI systems, ways to verify that each agent is authorized, traceable, and behaving as expected. So what can we actually do right now to make AI agents safe and ethical? Number 1, governance first, automation second. Never deploy agents without a clear framework for control and accountability. Number 2, test relentlessly. Run sandbox trials before giving real-world permissions, then monitor for unexpected actions or errors. Number 3, keep humans in the loop. Always require human approval for high-impact or irreversible tasks. Number 4, secure your data. Use encryption, access controls, and anonymization wherever possible. Number 5, be transparent. If your company uses AI agents, tell your customers and employees what they do and how they're managed, because transparency builds trust, and trust is the foundation of progress. Now here's the truth. The danger isn't AI agents themselves, it's how we use them. If we rush without safeguards, we risk chaos. If we move carefully and ethically, we gain something extraordinary. A new era of digital intelligence that serves humanity, not replaces it. So the challenge for every leader, every developer, and every policymaker is simple. Build the future responsibly. Because once AI agents are everywhere, we can't afford to wish we'd been more careful. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos just like this one. If you're keen to learn more about technology, be sure to check out the industryportal.com link in the description below. Thanks so much for stopping by, and as always, keep growing, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next video.